Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to replace two filters in a 2022 Nissan Sentra, the cabin air filter and the engine air filter. We'll start with the cabin filter. Begin by removing the glove compartment. Press the two sides inward, as shown, to release it from the stoppers on each side. Lowering the glove compartment gives you clear access to the cabin filter. Next, press the latch, or plastic retainer, on the left to release the cover and access the filter. Note the airflow direction. It goes from top to bottom. Take the new filter, identify the airflow direction marked on it, and insert it accordingly, airflow downward. As shown in the video, replace the cabin filter cover, ensuring the two slots are on the right and the plastic retainer, or latch, is on the left. Reinstall the glove compartment by pressing both sides to clear the stoppers. And that's it for the cabin filter. Now, let's move to the engine air filter. Start by removing the two metal latches, as shown in the video. Lift the compartment to reveal the filter. Notice that the bottom of the filter is dirty because the air flows from bottom to top. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one, checking their dimensions side by side to ensure a proper fit. When reinstalling the top cover, pay special attention to the plastic tab on the right side, as shown in the video. And that's it. The job is done. We hope this video helped. A special thanks to Uncle Ed and Dr. T. Thanks for watching.